One video, every basic word replaced. Your English will never sound the same. Let's go. Don't always say, I'm sad. Try these alternatives instead. I am feeling blue. I am in low spirits. I am down in the dumps. I am in a funk. I am on a downer. I am downcast. Don't say bye all the time. Here you have some great informal alternatives. Later. See ya. Catch you later. Take care. Peace out. See you around. Have a good one. Don't always say, I am ready. It makes your English sound too basic. Instead, say, I'm set. All systems go. Good to go. Locked and loaded. Let's rock and roll. Don't always say, I'm angry. Your friends will think your English is too basic. Try these alternatives instead. I am furious. I am enraged. I am fuming. I am irate. I am seeing red. Stop saying beautiful in English. It's too basic. Here you have some fantastic alternatives. Attractive, gorgeous, dazzling, stunning, splendid, radiant. Don't always say I love you in English. Use these fantastic alternatives instead. You mean the world to me. You're my everything. You're my one and only. You're the love of my life. You're the light of my life. I am head over heels in love with you. Don't always say good night. Use these instead. Sweet dreams. Sleep tight. Nighty night. Rest well. Catch some Z's. Bedtime for you. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Lights out. Off to dreamland. Don't always say, I am busy. It makes your English sound too basic. Instead, say, I am swamped. I'm up to my ears in work. I got a lot on my plate. I'm so busy that I can't even go to the bathroom. Stop always saying, I miss you. Try these instead. I can't stop thinking about you. My days feel incomplete without you. I wish you were here right now. It's been too long. I can't wait until we're together again. Stop using the word happy in English. It's too basic. Here you have some fantastic alternatives. Pleased, delighted, jubilant, on cloud nine, walking on air. Stop saying, what time is it, in English when talking to strangers. Your English would sound a bit rude. Instead, try these more polite versions. Excuse me, could you tell me what time it is? Can you let me know the time, please? Hi, may I ask for the time? Excuse me, do you happen to know what time it is?